Try. Come on, try it. Good morning, everyone. Robert loves cherry, so I decided I will cook today a cherry pie. I need 8 eggs. First, we're going to separate the yolk. Then I will need lemon juice. And I'm starting to mix on a low speed. When the foam is starting to form, I will add 3-4 tablespoons of honey. Yeah, in my recipes for baby, children, toddlers, you'll never find sugar. I think 3 tablespoons will be enough. And I'll continue to mix it until stiff peaks. By the way, try to mix all the time at a low or medium speed, not high. I think it's good. Now I'm going to mix separately the yolks. I'm going to mix the yolks until they will trickle inside. A little bit of vanilla. The job with the mixer is done. We are adding the yolks. The spoon doesn't work well, we can use our hand. All the time works for me. We are going to combine the yolks and the whites. Gently. Don't rush. Gently. Gently. This step is very important if we want to achieve a good texture. We are going to add 8 tablespoons of flour. 4. We are going to add flour gradually. Why I like this recipe? Because we are not adding baking powder, baking soda, what other stuff that will puff other stuff that will help puff our pie. So it has simple ingredients, but with great result. It's optional, but I like it. A little bit of lemon zest. Let's add cherry. It looks amazing. Try? Come on, try it. Easy, easy, easy. Not so fast.
This is big.
Is soft?
It's good.
It's good.
It's goat milk.
Do you like it?
I like it.
Very good.
You give me? Thank you.
It's good.
It's good? Very good.